today's the day I did come my car. I know I do look a mess. Okay, but yeah, you're gonna see me decorating my car. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you've been here, welcome back to my video. It's my friend doing that. Like he's pissing me off. Back. See the car, cause it's a mess. Put the camera right here. Right here. So they can see the mess. This is the mess, guys. It's not a lot.
You got an apron too?
Yes.
What can I give you, sir? Is the back dirty too?
No, the back is not actually dirty. It's like.
Oh, you actually wash your clothes?
This is me. Oh, okay. Let me look back. Okay, I see some car. Put the camera on here.
Girl.
Turn it back.
Bro, look at the glow.
Look at the glow for me. Put the phone on me. Put the phone on me.
Girl, can you drive? I don't want to die. You just talk about put the phone on you.
Behind my car?
Have what?
This.
No.
What do you mean?
That's my tools that I bought.
Oh.
Little progress. Little pink. It's a pink.
Barbie.
Hold on. Make sure she's tight. Make sure push. No, like this is one lot prior one guy. I'll hit you for it. You know what I'm talking about? Are you ready? Sorry. Ready?
Yes.
Can you feel my hand?
No.
Can you feel my hand? Bro, that's my finger. Don't grab my finger. Huh?
Ooh. Oh, I see. As you can see, these hardworking people.
Check this out. You got the zipper right here, right?
Yeah. But don't this have to be up?
Yeah, it's gonna be up. Whenever you need to open it, you unzip it.
Yeah, I know.
But you got this little loop. Size loop.
It don't matter. I don't care.
I just realized what he just said.
Jimmy, don't play with me. Don't.
Hey.
I'm not a kid. look is straight, Jimmy. It don't matter. It really doesn't matter.
Does it look straight?
Yes. If it's straight. Okay, Chereza. Okay, now when you put that up, that's gonna be recording for you because my hands are tired. Right? No. No? Yeah. You hear me? Here's the good camera woman, and I'm gonna show you some stuff that she bought. Let's see. And obviously it was made in China. Do not scam. The car is coming through. Look at Jimmy trying to fix it. I feel bad because I can't do anything.
I get some extra money.
But yeah, I got this here for my YouTube videos and stuff. And this is my thingy. And this is my seats. And I'm gonna show y'all in a second how cute this looks.
I know I look cute.
Guys, this is taking longer than expected. It's not timing. We're still filming because we had a lot of stuff to do. But I'll show y'all the reveal in a second, okay? In a second. A lot of details because we are working, you know. Look at the scratch on the car. Roop.
Your friend gonna see you and be like, Chereza, what you see your car? It's like so pretty.
Yeah. Doesn't film right at night, but I don't have a floor. I just remember I didn't buy floor, like the car floor, but I have two options because I remember that like maybe 3 days ago, I don't remember, but I remember that I didn't buy the floor and then I put them on my card. I put 2 of them and you're gonna tell me which one goes better with the car and which one I should buy because I'm gonna put it right here. It's like right here. Tell me which one to buy and I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna put it in the car. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you the update in the next video.
So you want like this?
What? What? Where?
You want it like,
I want it like here.
like this? Straight or slanted?
Like this. I love this. That's the difference.